So what I did is started a bunch of seeds, I think 25 to be exact, in this 4-inch pot. I saw this done actually just on Roots and Refuge, did her tomatoes like this in a solo cup, I think. And I had this pot available, so that's what I used. She started her tomatoes like this and then separated the seedlings and then up-potted them. And I was like, that's a great idea. Initially, I had planted a whole 25 seeds in my seed starting tray. And the seeds did not germinate well. It's not, I think it was user error. It was not the seed tray. It was not the seeds really, because look how great these did. So we know it wasn't the seeds, but I probably had the soil too wet. I probably didn't put the seeds either too deep or not deep enough. I'm pretty sure it was my first tray that I had started, and I was doing it really fast. Oh well. About what's so good about gardening is that you are learning every single time you turn around. Every year brings new challenges because the atmosphere changes. Different bugs come, and I'm looking forward to learn more this year and every other year. So I tried this and it really worked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate these little seedlings today, and I'm going to put them in some 6-packs. These are Roma tomato plants, and those are mine and Joseph's favorite. They're a great paste tomato and great for canning. So we're excited about that. I'm going to fill this up with some mix, and then I'm going to separate my seedlings. So I just took this out of the pot, and I'm just gonna kind of break these apart. See? Just take this, stick it way down in there. Tomatoes down deep in there, and it just gives a better root system. I'm just going to go through here and go ahead and separate all of them and then put them in their designated pot. So now I'm going to take these and fill them up with soil, and they're going to be good to go. Well, I got them all up potted, and in these 6-packs, I put a couple of them in the 4-inch packs as well, just so I had an odd number. And they look good. They will grow big and strong, just like all the other ones. So I will keep you updated on these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.